13 Real Ways to Save Money on Your Car. Astra's final narrative-friendly version for clip-champ gas prices are rising every single year. And owning a car is becoming more expensive than ever. But the truth is simple. Most drivers waste hundreds of dollars without even noticing it. Today, I will show you 13 real, practical, and proven ways to save money on your car. These tips work for any vehicle, any driver, and they cost nothing to apply. Let's start with the first one. Tip number 1. Check your tire pressure regularly. Low tire pressure is one of the biggest reasons people lose money on fuel. When your tires are underinflated, your engine has to work harder, and your car burns more gas. Proper tire pressure can save you 10 to 15% on fuel, which becomes a huge amount over time. Just check your tires every 2 weeks. It takes 1 minute and it saves real money. Tip number 2. Accelerate smoothly. Aggressive acceleration increases fuel consumption by up to 40%. You don't need to floor the gas pedal to get moving. Smooth acceleration and gentle braking keep your engine efficient and your fuel costs low. Drive calmly, and your wallet will feel the difference. Tip number 3. Remove extra weight from your car. Many people drive with a trunk full of unnecessary stuff. Every extra 100 pounds, or about 45 kilograms, makes your car use more gas. If you want to save money, clear your trunk, remove old tools, boxes, and anything you don't need. A lighter car is a cheaper car. Tip number 4. Replace your air filter. A dirty air filter prevents your engine from breathing properly. When the airflow is restricted, the engine burns more fuel. Changing the air filter every 10 to 15,000 miles improves performance and reduces fuel consumption. It's a small maintenance step that saves money in the long run. Tip number 5. Don't warm up your car for too long. Modern engines do not need more than 30 to 60 seconds to warm up. Letting your car idle for several minutes wastes fuel for no reason. Start the engine, wait a short moment, and begin driving gently. Your engine will warm up faster while moving and you will save gas. Tip number 6. Use cruise control on the highway. Cruise control keeps your speed stable, and stable speed means better fuel efficiency. Every time your speed changes, even slightly, the engine uses more fuel. On long drives, cruise control is one of the easiest ways to save money. Just turn it on, relax, and let your car do the work. Tip number 7. Fill up in the morning or late evening. Fuel is denser when the temperature is lower. When you refuel early in the morning or late at night, you get slightly more gasoline for the same amount of money. It's a small difference, but over a year it adds up. Tip number 8. Never refuel right after a tanker truck delivers gas. When a fuel truck fills the underground tanks at a gas station, all the sediment and dirt at the bottom gets stirred up. If you refuel at that moment, you might pump that debris into your car. Bad fuel leads to bad performance and expensive repairs. If you see a tanker at the station, simply wait a few hours or go somewhere else. Tip number 9. Don't push your engine hard when the fuel tank is low. When your fuel level is low, your fuel pump can overheat because it is no longer fully submerged in gasoline. This makes the pump work harder and increases the risk of damage. And replacing a fuel pump is not cheap. Keep your tank above 30% and drive gently when you're low on gas. Tip number 10. Check and replace your spark plugs. Spark plugs are small but extremely important. If they are worn out or dirty, your engine won't burn fuel efficiently. This leads to higher fuel consumption, rough idling, and poor acceleration. Replacing old spark plugs is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to restore fuel efficiency. Tip number 11. Use the right engine oil. Using the wrong oil or the cheapest oil you can find can make your engine work harder. Proper oil reduces friction, keeps the engine cool, and improves fuel economy. Follow your car manufacturer's recommendations and never choose oil just because it is the cheapest option. Tip number 12. Keep your fuel tank at least 1/3 full. When the tank is almost empty, more fuel evaporates, and the pump works less efficiently. Keeping the tank at least 30 to 40% full helps prevent evaporation, protect your fuel pump, and keeps your engine running smoothly. This is a simple habit that saves money over time. Tip number 13. Drive at the most efficient speed. Most cars have a sweet spot where they burn the least amount of fuel. For many vehicles, this is between 55 and 65 miles per hour. Once you go above 70, fuel consumption rises dramatically. If you want maximum efficiency, stay in that optimal range whenever possible. Conclusion: saving money on your car is not difficult. Small habits make a huge difference, and most drivers don't even realize how much they could save. Check your tire pressure. Drive smoothly. Avoid unnecessary weight. Maintain your engine. And follow these 13 simple rules. You will spend less on fuel, make your car last longer, and avoid expensive repairs. If you want even more tips, tricks, and hidden car secrets that mechanics never tell, make sure to subscribe. I share new real car advice every single week. Thanks for watching and drive safe.